If you spend time over YouTube, I'm sure that you have came across such Stickman viral videos. Interesting fact is, all these videos usually get millions of views with very less efforts to generate them. And another interesting fact is, you can easily generate these videos using AI. So in this video, I will show you how you can make such viral stickman videos with very minimum effort and boost your YouTube channel. So let's dive into it. Okay, so for that, first of all, you need to select your stickman character. So I have came across Pinterest, but you can use any other website that you feel free to use. So here I would search for stickman characters. So you can just scroll over this page and choose any character you like. So I feel this one is cute, and I'm just going to download this image by selecting in this three dot here and then download image. Now we are coming to ChatGPT, or you can use Gemini or Claude with whatever you are used to. So here I would tell my AI to provide me some engaging topic ideas about a topic that I'm interested in. Okay, so say for example, I'm interested in financial management. So I would just tell it to provide me a list of 10 engaging topic ideas about financial management. Make sure that you are logged into your ChatGPT account or Gemini account or Claude so that it can give you more personalized response. So I'm going to hit enter here. And as you will see that it would generate me a 10 engaging topic ideas about financial management. Okay, now comes the most interesting part. I can give you a prompt and you can find this prompt in the description of this video. All you need to do is just select this entire prompt, copy this by clicking on Ctrl C, and then head back to your ChatGPT and then paste this prompt in here. Okay, so at the very beginning, all you have to do is select your expected duration. I'm selecting 30 seconds just for demonstration. And in this topics section, select the topic that you like the most. So say for example, I'm going with building an emergency fund without sacrificing your lifestyle. So just I'm copying it and I'm going to paste in this insert video link topic, right? Okay, and then I'm going to press enter. So as you would see now, within seconds, ChatGPT will create an entire voice script, including all the scenes and animation prompts and scenes image prompts as well. Okay, now we are going to move on Google Flow. If you just type Google Flow in your Google browser, then this interface would pop up. I'm going to click here on new project, and a new project will open up in a very short time. Now I would head back to my voiceover script that ChatGPT gave me. Now in the scene image prompts, I would generate one by one scenes. Okay, so I'm going to copy this scene one, going to my Google Flow, and in all my media or inside this character, I'm going to hit upload, and I'm going to upload my desired character that I downloaded before, you remember? So I'm going to click here and press on open. Within a very short time, this character will get uploaded in my Google Flow. And now in this prompt section, I'm going to paste the prompt that I copied and then press enter. Okay, so as you can see that it has already created a image from prompt. Okay, so I'm going to do this for all the scenes that I have remain. So I have 6 scenes. For demonstration purpose, I'm just doing it for the second scene as well. So just click on copy, head back to Google Flow. Okay, so again on this plus icon and this and then upload media, select your desired character and then just click here, add to prompt. Okay, so again it would get added to your prompt, and then I'm going to paste the scene 2 and then press enter. So likewise, you would have to create the scene image prompts for all the scenes that has given by ChatGPT. Now comes the animation prompts, where we would do the animation part. Okay, now we are going to create the animation step by step. So for that, click on your generated images, and here you would see an option called animate. If you click on animate, then just paste your scene 1 from here, copy it and paste it on Google Flow, and then hit enter. And within a few seconds, it would create a video of your image. Okay, so as you can see that our video is already generated. Yes. And now we are going to paste our scene 2 for this image, right? So we are going to copy it and then paste it here and then press enter. And it's again going to generate the video for my second image. Likewise, you would do this for all the images and generate all the videos corresponding for that images. Okay, so you can see that if I click on here, this video is also generated, right? Okay, now after a while, you would have all your desired videos. So you can just download it one by one by clicking here and clicking on this download button. And you can select your resolution here. I'm going to just select 1K for demonstration purpose. Likewise, this video as well. Okay, done. Now you have to open a desired video editor. You can choose anyone as you like. For this demonstration purpose, I'm using Camtasia. If you open your video editor, each and every video editor looks somewhat like this. So in here, you can just import your media, select all the animated scenes from here. So your imported videos will come in the media section of your desired video editor. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to generate the voiceover, right? So again, we would go back to our chat GPT and then tell him that give me the entire voice script in a paragraph form. So it would give me the entire voice script over a paragraph form. Then I'm just simply going to copy this thing and head over to any LLM or any AI that can convert the text to AI generated voices, right? So I'm using this free TTS website here where you can just simply paste your script and it will generate a audio for you. So here I'm clicking on download. So as you can see that my audio was downloaded. Now I am opening my video editor again and then click here and then import this audio from here. Now you can just simply edit your video by dragging this entire audio and then by subsequently adding your generated videos, and finally export your entire video in this way. So in this way you can easily generate those viral Stickman videos with very less effort. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider liking this video and consider subscribing, and I will see you as always in the next one.